Good morning, student. Now it is CMST class, HS2ndyr. We are doing permutation combination and we are continue exercise 2.2b. So we are now at question number 6. So exercise 2.2b question is our 6th one. They said find n and r. N and r. Condition is given n plus 1 cr plus 1 is to n cr is to n minus 1 cr minus 1 is equal to 11 is to 6 is to 3. Now how to do this sum? This ratio means what? That we can write like that. Factorial n plus 1 factorial r plus 1 n plus 1 minus r plus 1. So this will give this one. Factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r. There also factorial n minus 1, factorial r minus 1, n minus 1 minus r minus 1, that is r plus 1. 11 is to 6 is to 3. Now, if we consider these two, therefore, n plus 1 by factorial r plus 1 is to factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r is to 11 is to 6. We have taken this and that, and so that's why we have written one equation we got. Another from these two, factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r is to factorial n minus r, factorial r minus 1, n minus r. It is 6 is to 3. If we consider ratio, so these two will cancel. And we can write this one as factorial n plus 1 is n plus 1 into factorial n. Factorial r plus 1 can be written as r plus 1 factorial r. Ratio means divide. So we can interchange factorial r by factorial n. 11 by 6. This, that cancel. So we get what? 6n plus 6 is equal to 11r plus 11. So 6n minus 11r is equal to 5. This is our equation number 1. This is our first equation in terms of n and r. Here also, if we do little simplification, n can be written as factorial n can be written as n into factorial n minus 1. Factorial r can be written as r into factorial r minus 1. These two will cancel because ratio it is. Then this is ratio means divide. It will go up r minus 1 by factorial n minus 1. 6 by 3 means 2. Now you cancel. So what we get? N is equal to twice r. This is our equation number 2. So student, see, this is calculation is little, really it is bigger. Here 3 things are there, ratio is given. So I have broken everything, then taking 2 at a time, taking this 2 at a time, that side also 2 we have to take. Then after simplification, you will get an equation in terms of n and r. There also one equation in terms of n and r. Now we will solve these things. From 1 and 2, so if we take these two and if we replace n by twice r, so if this n is replaced by twice r, it will be 12n minus 11r is equal to 5 gives r is equal to 5. And from 2, we get what? N is equal to twice r, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. So r is 5 and n is 10. This is our question number 6.1. So I think similarly you can do question number 2 also. Now we will do question number 7. In question number 7, you will find they have asked prove. What we have to prove? NCR plus NCR plus 1 plus NC n plus 1 C R plus 2. They have said it will be n plus 2 C R plus 2. Now how to do? If we take LHS, then this thing you consider NCR plus NCR plus 1 n plus 1 C R plus 2. We have one formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 gives n plus 1 CR. This is our well-known formula. So in place of these two, if we consider NN, yes NN, R plus 1. So if we consider this one at the first, this one second, R plus 1 taken first. So you see that whatever they are, one less than this one. This R plus 1 is this. That means what? Here R will be replaced by R plus 1. Consider this one. So we can write this one as n plus 1 C R plus 1. Students, concentrate on this one. It is R minus 1. Then result will come R plus 1 and R. So of course this one as follows. R plus 1 will follow here. Now again, if we apply this formula, in place of n, here n plus 1. So in the result, it will come as n plus 2, 1 more than this. Next, R minus 1, then result comes R plus 1, R plus 2. So R plus 2 you take here, R plus 1 here. That is this term I have taken here, this term there. Now R minus 1, then R plus 2, R plus 1. So of course the result will be R plus 2. See, this is the answer. So we have proved our required result. So students, that much we have done. Give your attendance in your comment box. That much for today.